Hi eSchoolers! Today starts a really exciting week for us. This is the week where we're going to begin our social sciences. So as we had discussed in the beginning of the year, when it comes to social studies and science, we're going to be going back and forth between the two. So we'll do one unit of social studies and then one unit of science and vice versa. We'll keep it fairly consistent. Sometimes the size of the unit differs a little bit, but I'll do my best to try and keep all the eSchoolers on science one unit, social studies the other, because I know they're siblings and pods and things get crazy, so we'll try and keep it as consistent as we can. Some of you are familiar with this site already, my 3rd through 5th graders. This is the same site that you've been using for your language arts, and now you're going to use it for social sciences as well. So this is a 1st grade class example, but it's going to be used for kindergarten through 5th grade. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click the link to take us to our savvasss sign-on. So we're going to click the link, and it's going to take us to our savvasss page. Your login information is going to be the same as it is for just about everything else, without the @dragon, etc., etc. The only difference is your password is the same, but you also need to include your initials. The site needed a longer password, so to try and keep it as easy and consistent as possible, the passwords are your initials plus your student ID number. So everything is as close to the same as it can be. So once you type in your username, which is your regular number, last name, underscore, first name, and then your password, which are your initials and your student ID number, depending on what grade you're in, it's going to take you to the course that you're in. So we're taking a look now. This is what my 3rd graders are doing with their language arts, and then beginning tomorrow, you'll see a screen show up that also has your social sciences. So whether you're a kindergartner or a 5th grader, beginning tomorrow when the new content is released, you'll see a screen that looks like this. Now this is a language arts example because the social science content won't be released until tomorrow morning, but it works the same way. The best way to use this system and to know what you need to do is to click on your assignments button. Your assignments button is going to lay everything out nice and neat and pace-wise the way Mrs. Miller has it set up for you in Canvas. So it will show you all of the assignments for the week, so this is something a student would need to complete for a week. Remember, since we're starting the week late, you have an extra day to complete your assignments. But once you get in here and you're ready to get going, let's say you're following pace and you're staying on track, and today's Wednesday, so that would be lesson 3. If you click on your lesson, it's going to show you everything that you need to do. So nice and neat and organized and simple. You don't need to click a bunch of buttons, just click on the lesson you're working on, and all of your assignments are here. It will also let you know where you're at. My sample student has not started any of these, but if they were to, and then they come back to home, and then they go to their assignments again, you'll see tabs across the top for not started, in progress. So we started Monday and Tuesday, we didn't finish, but we did finish the intro. So this is a nice way to also keep yourself on pace and on target, and to let you know what you need to do, what you've started but haven't finished, and then what is finished. Now this is not yet connected to Canvas, so you don't have to upload or submit anything through there. Everything's going to come through here in savvasss. So tomorrow when you guys log in, you'll see your grade and social science, 3rd through 5th graders, you guys will still see your ELA. And then if you click that assignments tab, it will lay out nice and neat everything that you need to do. I am going to reach out to the savvasss Tech Help. I know sometimes it can be tricky logging in. The system might be a little finicky, so I want to see if we can get some help with that. Sometimes you need to close out the tab and open it, or use a different browser, and that seems to work too. So if you have those kind of login troubles, please try those. And then if they're not successful, let me know, and we'll get something going for you as best we can. I'm really excited for you guys to start your social science. I think you're going to really like what's in there. So have fun and let me know how I can help you. I'll see you guys online.